Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create indicators on Tradingview. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in tradingview.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Tradingview website, where if you haven't logged into your account already, you can proceed with signing in by clicking on your account icon at the top right corner and proceeding with your credentials. Once you have been signed in, you will be taken into the home page. Now, within this page, if you look at the right section and tap on the first option at the top, you will be shown your watch list. Underneath this option, you will see the alerts option, which is the option that you will need to use to set up indicators. Now, tap on the open chart option from here, and this will open up your desired chart. You can choose your chart from the left menu, and once you see your desired chart, click on the create alert option. Now, from this page, choose the type of condition that you want to set, whether by trading hours or volume. Now, within the second option, choose the condition on which you want to set your indicator. You can then choose between price or volume and then define your value. Then choose the trigger, whether you want to be notified only once or every single time that this condition is met. Finally, set your alert name and then choose a custom message if you wish. You can then click on the create button and your indicator for this particular exchange will be set up within your alerts right away. And whenever this value is met, you will receive a notification or alert. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create an indicator on Tradingview. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.